So good afternoon, dear children. We are going to start next chapter, multiplication. Okay, chapter 6, multiplication. And last year you have learned what is multiplication. Can anybody tell what is multiplication? Those who knows the answer, please raise your hands. Those who know, Ashwati knows. Ashwati, unmute and speak. What is multiplication?
Into.
Into. Okay, that is the symbol of multiplication, into. Other than that, what is multiplication? Aishwarya, unmute.
Repeated addition.
Yes, very good. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Okay, if you repeatedly adding same numbers, that we can call multiplication. Okay. And Ashwati is correct. Your symbol, the symbol of multiplication is into. And now we can see few more things about multiplication, and we can revise what all things we have learned last year. Okay, are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No. Keep it.
Okay. Now I am going to draw some balls. Here you can see 3 balls in each circle. So if you want to find total number of balls, you have to add 3 plus 3 plus 3. Sarah, please unmute. What you will get? Unmute. Sarah, please unmute. Sarah, I'll come to you later. Okay, I think you have some network issue. Christina, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah, finally good. Christina, wait. Next question I'll ask you. Sarah, what you will get? 3 plus 3 plus 3?
In the magic circles. 9.
9. So, 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 9. This is repeated addition. Okay. Repeatedly we added 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to, and we got 9. Here 3 we added 3 times. So 3 times 3 equal to 9. We can write the same sentence as like this. 3 times 3 equal to 9. That means 3 into 3 equal to 9. 3 times 3 equal to 9. We can write like this. 3 into 3 equal to 9. This is called multiplication fact. Multiplication fact. Fact. We can call this form as multiplication fact. Okay. 9 3s are 27. This is also a multiplication fact. And 8 2s are 16. This is also a multiplication fact. So like this, This representation we can call multiplication factor. Rajan, Krishna, sit properly and listen. Okay, very good. Fold your hands and sit. Now, dear children, now we can take one example of multiplication fact and we can discuss few things. Here, 8 2s are 60. Here, the first number, this one we can call multiplication. So the first number we can call for a multiplication fact, the first number we can call multiplicand. And the second number we can call as multiplier. Okay, the second number we can call multiplier. So first number is multiplicand, second number is multiplier, and the answer we can call product. Answer we can call product. So first number is multiplicand and second number is multiplier and the answer is product. Okay, Zara, sit and listen the class. Okay, what's your doubt? Do you have any doubt? Sarah, do you have any doubt? Yes or no? Unmute. Unmute here.
Ma'am, why it's changing 60?
Sorry?
It's 8 into 8 is equal to 60.
Yes, 8 into if we added 2 8 times or if we added 8 2 times we will get 60. Just check. Okay, that is multiplication. That is written in short form like 8 plus 8 equal to 16. For that is the addition form. If we want to write that addition in the multiplication form, you have to write like this.
Okay.
So, otherwise 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus, if you added 8 times, you will get 60. If you want to write the same repeated addition as multiplication, like this, 8 times 2 equal to 16. That means 8 times we added 2 and we got 16. That means 8 2 equal to 16. Okay. Now you can mute your audio, dear. So the first number we can call multiplicand and the second number is multiplier and the answer is product. Now I am going to write another example. 9 3s are 27 or 9 into 3 equal to 27. Are they?
Yes.
Now what is in this? Which one is the multiplicand?
9.
Is the
9.
multiplicand is 9.
9.
And Christina,
Yes, ma'am.
which is the multiplier?
Multiplier is 2. 3.
Multiplier is
3.
yes. And I want this our Rajan. Where is our Rajan then? Rajan, please unmute. Rajan, please unmute. What is the product? Here, what is the product?
27.
Sorry?
27.
Yes, 27. Multiplicand is 9, multiplier is 3, and product is 27. Very good, Rajan. Okay. If we write like this, multiplicand into multiplier equal to the product, this form we can call, what we will call this form? Multiplication fact. Okay, this form we can call multiplication fact. Okay. Now, Dear children, have you understood this much?
Yes.
Multiplication fact, multiplier, multiplication, product, all these things?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to see some properties of multiplication. Only we have to study the properties here. No need to study the names and a few property only want to study. That already you have learned last year. Still we can revise. Okay. For example, 2 into, last year you have learned multiplication. So Rupika, 2 into 1, what is the answer? Unmute and give the answer. 2 into 1. Sorry? 2 into 1. When we multiply a number by 1, what do you will get? Okay, wait. Rupika, wait. Let Akshat say. Akshat, unmute. 2 into 1.
2.
2. Yes. Okay, you can mute your audio. Rupika, have you understood now? 2 into 1? 2. Rupika, tell me 9 into 1, what you will get? 9 into 1. Unmute and tell me. 9 into 1. Unmute. 2 into 1, 2. 9 into 1. Sachin. Wait, Sachin will help you. Sachin, please unmute and give me the answer. 9 into 1? 9. 9 into 1, 9. And now, Nihara, please tell me, 1 into 10 equal to how much? 1 into 10.
11.
Is it addition or multiplication? We want multiplication. Who can say 1 into 10? Who? Agnivesh, tell. 1 into 10 equal to?
10.
10. So dear student, when we multiply, very good. When we multiply a number by 1, we will get the same number. See here. Two into 1 equal to 2. 9 into 1 equal to 9. 10 into 1 equal to 10. Okay, like that, 55 into 1 equal to 55. So whatever may be the number, if we multiply by 1, you will get the same number. No change in the answer. Same number we will get. Like that, we can see one more property. 8 into 0. Who knows the answer? 8 into 0. Who knows? Those who knows the answer, raise your hands. Those who didn't get chance, I will give. Yes, Ivana, please unmute and give me the answer. Ivan, I will give you 8. Ivan, will you give me the answer? Unmute and give me the answer.
8.
8. Sia, will you give me the answer?
8.
8. Evelyn, will you give me the answer?
0.
0. 8 into 0 is 0. 8 plus, if we add plus, we add, we will get the same. But into, 8 into 0 into is 0. Okay. Whenever we multiply a number by 0, we get 0. Okay. Whenever we multiply a number by 0, we will get 0. Okay. Have you all understood? So,
Yes.
sorry. You can see some. So 8 into 0 equal to 0. 35 into 0.
35, sir.
Please unmute. 35 into 0?
35.
Like that we studied just now. 0. When we multiply a number by 0, you will get 0 itself. Okay, multiplication. Not adding, we are multiplying. Rachel. Okay, like that. 100 into 0 equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Savio, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
36 into 0, what you will get?
0.
Okay. Others? 0. 0. So whatever may be the number, if we multiply by 0, we will get 0. Okay. Now, we are going to see the now we are going to see these properties. So we have discussed now what is multiplication. Devanda, what is multiplication? Please unmute and tell me. What is multiplication?
I'm repeating.
Just let Devanda say. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is multiplication?
Repeated.
Yes. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Yes. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Yes. Now, representing the multiplicand. Now you know what is multiplicand. The first number for multiplication is the thing multiplicand. And the second number we can call multiplier. And the answer is product. If we write these things using the symbol into and equal to, that we can call multiplication fact. That we can call multiplication fact. So for example, 5 2's equal to 10. Here 5 is the multiplicand. 5 is the multiplicand, 2 is the multiplier, and 10 is the product. Okay. And now one more property is there to study. Dear children, 2 3's are equal to. Who can say the answer? 2 3's are. Vaiga? Do you know? 2 3's are. 2 3's are. No. Okay, it's okay.
5.
Who knows? Amit knows the answer.
Ma'am, 5.
No, it's not addition, dear. Multiplication. Amit, 2 3's are 6. 2 3's are equal to 6. 3 2's are, Amit, will you say 3 2's are, what is the answer? 6. So 2 3's are equal to 6 and 3 2's are equal to 6. We change the order also. Answer is same. 2 3's are equal to same as 3 2's are. Like that. 5 2's are. Who knows the answer? 5 2's are. Nobody knows. Bhumi, do you know? 5 2's are. No. Okay, wait.
5 2's are 7.
No, dear, it's not adding, multiplication. 5 2's are. Anybody? Wait. Those who know answer, you can unmute and tell me. 5 2's are.
10. 10.
Like that. 2 5's are equal to 10. 5 twos are 10, 2 fives are 10. That means 5 into 2 equal to 2 into 5. That means if we change the order of the number also, the answer will be same. 5 into 2 is same as 2 into 5. That is the order property of multiplication. Changing the order in which the numbers are multiplied does not change the product. If we multiply two numbers in any order, the answer won't change. 2 fives are 2 into 5 is equal to 5 into 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. That are the two properties. Now everybody take your book, notebook. Everybody take your maths notebook, take new page and write the heading Chapter 6 Multiplication. Chapter 6 Multiplication. And do 3 questions, copy down 3 questions and do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to dash. B, 5 into 0 equal to dash. C, 25 into 1 equal to dash. Copy down to your notebook and do. Serious. 29 for this. You have to be careful. When we multiply a number by 0, we will get 0. When we multiply a number by 1, we will get the same number. So that two things you have to keep in mind. When you multiply a number by 0, you will get 0. When you multiply a number by 1, you will get the same number.
I'm finished.
Have you all completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we discuss the answers?
Ma'am, shall I tell the answer? Ma'am, shall I tell the answer?
Now, Preet, please unmute. Preet. Preet? Your voice is not audible to me, dear. Preet? Your voice is not audible, Preet. Oh, you have some network issue, I think. Let me go to somebody else. Very sorry, dear. Now, I want those who didn't get chance, let them get chance, dear. Yes, wait. Where is our Dhara? Today, I didn't see her. Dhara, please unmute. Yes. Unmute. Yes, you can unmute. Wait. Now wait. Now just check.
Ma'am,
Dhara, please unmute now. You can. Some network issues are there. Okay.
ma'am, can I?
I'll give chance to somebody else. Okay. Now, to whom? Dev Krishna, please unmute. Yes, unmute. What is the answer for the first question? Answer for the first question, will you give? First question. 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, you will get 8.
8.
Yes. So the first question answer is 8. I hope all got the answer. Very simple. Amna Fatima, will you give answer for the second question B? 5 into 0?
0.
0. When we multiply a number by 0, you will get 0. So 5 into 0 is 0. Okay, correct. Now, no Suhim, please unmute. No Suhim.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the third question answer?
25.
Yes, 25 itself. When we multiply a number by 1, you will get same number. That means 25. 25 into 1 equal to 25. Correct. So, dear children, I hope you understood all these concepts.
Yes, ma'am.
So, our time is almost up. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. You WhatsApp. Ma'am, you send the notes to WhatsApp.